Hi Chloe, this is your very own version of Jingle Bells. So here's middle C. You're going to put your right hand thumb here, and then you're starting with finger 3 in the right hand to do the Jingle Bells tune. Okay, your left hand, you miss 2 white notes out, and then you put your thumb on the G and line up all your fingers. So left hand's going to be playing 1 and 5 at the same time. Okay, this is how it goes. Jingle bells, jingle bells. This time you hold the left hand. Jingle all the way, bounce the left. Then you do right hand on its own. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open. Now when you play sleigh, finger 2 in the right on D, you're going to do thumb and you're going to go down by step. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to Jingle Bells, 1 and 5 in the left. Jingle bells, hold the left. Jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. So for the ending, when I did 5 at the top, I'm going to do a thumb on G. So it's G's together and then C's together. One-horse open sleigh. Okay, this time I'm going to play it without chit-chatting.